Welcome! In front of me I have GARMIN Fenix 8 Pro and I'm gonna show you how to turn on this watch. To turn on our device we need to press and hold the light button and keep holding it until the Garmin logo appears on the screen. It takes about, I would say, 10 seconds maybe. And once the logo appears on the screen, we can release the button and wait until the watch is done booting up, which will also take at least a few seconds. Okay, and now we can skip this message and you should see the home screen, of course, unless your watch is new or it's been reset to the factory default settings, then you will see list of languages on the screen. Okay, and that's how you turn on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.